So without further ado, I'm gonna take this wand and make it magically turn into CHER. Hey, what's up, Ello? Welcome back to my channel for another video. So today, as you can see by the title, by the thumbnail, we are doing a DIY costume out of the closet Halloween costume thing. So what we're doing today, of course, CHER. No better as if. So what we're gonna do here, and it's the gym scene, of course. You know, the one she's with Dion. And Amber's talking, trying to diss what you call, gosh, why's her name escaping me right now? You know, Brittany Murphy. But anyways, in all black, she's in a black shorts, black tank top, and I'm just gonna use a black headband because that's just gonna have to be how it works, and as well as a black scrunchie to put the hair together. So I don't have a blonde that matches her blonde, and that's just okay because I was going to do black anyways. So we got blonde here from an old wig that I blow dried out. And then just a bag. I'm going to show you the bag once we put it all together. And then some shoes, white socks. You already know this is what it is. But anyways, so we're going to start off with the shorts. These are just some Adidas biker shorts. We're gonna go ahead and put these on, but here we go. And then next we're gonna do the white shirt. Now I would do one that's a lot smaller, I just don't know where it is, but we're gonna go ahead and put on this shirt, and what I do is just tuck it in the back so that it can stay up, and you can kind of still see it draping over what's going to be the tank top on top. Now you have the black tank top on. We'll go ahead and put on the wig and then put that up in a ponytail. So you're gonna see this go on my head. If you want to see how I lay the wig, I basically laid the same way I did in my other video. If you want to watch this a few videos ago where I installed half a wig, because this all this is. It's a half wig. Okay, I'll get a little bit closer now. So I'll go ahead and get a little bit closer so you see the wig. I put it on, stop it right in the front. It has black roots, so that's good. And then just pull up the headband, cover that up a little bit, cover up the oopsies and the daisies, and then hairband. I think she had it pretty high up. And it was very loose as well. Okay. Got the string all hanging out in the back. Let's tuck that up. As you know, I get hot easily, so sorry if my face turns red. But there we are. If you want to bobby pin the wig down to secure it even better, that's probably a good thing to do. But I'll just have it up like this. And just out like that. Just messy. I'm not even gonna comb anymore. I already blew dry it so that it didn't look like I last used it 3 years ago. So, oh goodness, oh, I got a piece in there. Okay, there we go. And there's really no jewelry in here besides her phone and accessories. So there we go. Here's a more close shot, close up, hair. And I just did light makeup, just eyeliner and a little bit of brow liner. Here's a more close shot, close up, hair. And I just did light makeup, just eyeliner and a little bit of brow liner. But it's fine. Now we have the hair in. So next are the shoes. So we're just gonna put on some regular Airs. Just regular. And I got my socks, white socks. Oh, I was supposed to do that, the transition thingy too. Okay, so these on my feet. And then I think I'm gonna just go for this bag because her bag is clear with gold trim. All I have is the bag that I made that's clear. This is one of the old bags I made also in another video. But it's, I mean, I'll show you anyways. You can hook it to your waist. If I painted it gold or something like that, it would have been nice. I still have more material, so I still can. Shower curtain vinyl that you stitch together and put a buckle on. But yeah. Also, if you wanted to not do a purse and just do your own thing, I recommend an Adidas fanny pack. Fanny it on like a fanny pack, or you know, wear it. Sometimes wear it like this, or I'll wear it like this. Especially if I go out to like a fair or something like that, you know, like this, or I'll crossbody it. It's just that I was giving my other Adidas bags a lot of love, my burgundy one that y'all see, and now it's told me you give me too much love, so I do need to go back to some of my other side pouches and bags. But you can wear it like this with your costume, so you can keep all your belongings here while you out tricking drinking. All right, yes, I say tricking drinking, but I'll just probably just do this bag, so it matches. And it did have a gold chain on it. It had this gold chain. This bag had this gold chain on it, but I moved it from this one to this one. I would switch it back to gold, but I don't feel like it. So if you did like this works too. I think we got these at, where did we get these? I don't know where I got these from. We have a few of them though. As in, when I say we, I see my sister has some. She has ones that's like this, but hers is like blue and stuff because she's more colorful than I am. Clearly black. I'm black. Anyways, that getting sidetracked. This works. It's a little bag, and she had her little phone. Or we put this little bag. It's supposed to hang more, but I don't want to mess with it. I'm not messing with it. Oh, there it goes. There it goes. We did it. I did it. So we got it like this. Oh, come on, don't look slouchy now. All right. Got the hello, hello, hello. Love it for us. Yes, yes. Okay. That's what I thought. That's what I thought. That's what I thought. Okay. So this is just my BlackBerry, my old BlackBerry, my second phone that I ever had. I wish I had a razor, so then it would be a little bit cuter. But that my sister had that phone, other sister, and she, who knows where that went. But this is the look. See. Oh, and I hope you guys are okay with this setup for now. I'm going to start move some of this stuff here, some of this stuff here for the future, so I can give you guys better angles, because I have another DIY costume video that I'm going to put out tomorrow, hopefully tomorrow, cross your fingers, so you can get another closet look. And if you have any ideas for me or anything that you've done, definitely leave it in the comment, DM, send a message. I have Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, Lemonade, all that good stuff. You can just send it right on there, and I'll get it. I'll get the pictures and everything. We can kiki and cat together as well. But yeah, tell me if you like the video, and if you like this look. I'm hoping you do. I hope that it looks good. I was scrolling in my gallery trying to see what I did previous years for Halloween, and I was like, oh, I forgot I did this little number here, this little look. So I thought I'd bring it back because I was like, why not bring it back? It's easy. I have a party that's coming up that we need a Halloween costume for, and trick-or-treating. So we already have an idea for the party costume. So this just might be my trick-or-treat outfit. I might just go out in this, is because I already got it. Feel it's comfortable. We're taking the kids out mainly anyways, going around the neighborhood to do the trick-or-treating. So might as well. Because otherwise I'd be a witch. I try to be a witch. But I don't have a cloak. I don't have a couple things. So yeah. I'm going to try to get a few more shots. And I hope you enjoyed this video, really. So thank you again for watching. And oh, down here. Thank you again for watching. And I'll see you in the next video. It'll be real soon. That should be good. What if I didn't record any of that? Just making sure I got good angles, good pictures, good everything. Because this angle is a little bit better than that one. So we're going to see how this looks. I'm also pigeon-toed, so as in my feet go like this, I walk like this, pigeon-toed. So, sorry. This is my phone that I say went through a war because it got bullet wounds in the back. For some reason, it doesn't close all the way. I think it's because the battery's swollen. Very dangerous, probably. Yeah, battery's swollen. Ooh, it's still got the memory card, SD card in there. I wonder what that has on it. I can put that into something, right? And read it? Sure I can. I haven't tried to restart this phone, but I'm pretty confident it completely broke. But the SD card still might be good. Blackberry. My first phone was Blackjack, though. My hips don't lie in person, so don't get these angles confused. Hips don't lie in person. Alright, time to edit.
Please hang up and try again.
I'm going to do that scene. I also, of course, have another costume. If you go back in my videos to my other Halloween costume I did a few years ago, I did CHER as well, but it was her red skirt one. I haven't done the actual one that usually people cosplay, which is the yellow plaid look. So a lot of people love to cosplay that one. I didn't have the fabric at the time. I had this fabric, so I went ahead and made this skirt. I don't think that's the right way. No, it wasn't the right way. So this is the skirt, because I was like, wait, there's two pleats on the back or not pleats, darts. So I have this skirt that I also can cosplay. Again, I did it for a work Halloween costume party as well, so that was nice. But it's fine.